this is my city, Porto Alegre. We can see that we have a beautiful sunset, and our city, we can say here in Brazil that is not a big city, but is a medium to big city with 1.5 million people living here. And I lecture in PUC, the Pontifical Catholic University of Rio Grande do Sul. And this is our campus. That's the School of Dentistry, where I lecture too. And in the other side of the avenue, we have the hospital, São Lucas Hospital, where I teach to and where is my private practice. This is my team, my residents, my professor, Rogério Belli, and we have a great service here in Porto Alegre, and we are more dedicated to orthognathic surgeries and the dental facial treatment. As a regular Brazilian guy, I love football, and as I live in the South, I support Grêmio, that is the biggest team here in my region. So now you know me just a little bit, and I will lecture about surgical stability in orthognathic surgery. What matters in orthognathic surgery and stability? The amount of surgical movements, the type of rigid